right, so I had people ask me about a arithmetic series problem where we've got the sum is 20 plus 20.4 plus 20.8, and then we don't know how many terms there are, but it goes up to 37.6. But what I know is that the first term I can call A1, and the last term I can call AN. If I wanted to, I could call the second term A2. And so what I notice is that the common difference is 0.4 because each term goes up by 0.4 to get to the next one. And that means that the nth term is equal to the first term plus 0.4 times n minus 1. Some of you are really stuck on the idea of writing it like this, 19.6 plus 0.4n. That is okay if you want to use that version. I just like to use this version here because it uses the numbers that are directly in the problem. The 19.6 in this other version, you have to think backwards to what the 0th term would be. So we found that we're going to find the number of terms by taking a sub n and setting it equal to 37.6. That's going to let us solve for n. So I'm going to solve it using my preferred version. So I take away 20, leaving me with 17.6 is 0.4 times n minus 1. Opposite of multiplying is dividing. That's going to go in there evenly. 17.6 divided by 0.4 is 44. So now I know that 44 is n minus 1. Adding 1 tells me the number of terms. There are 45 terms. Now it says to find the value of the sum. So I'm going to use our sum formula that we've gone over several times, where the sum of 45 terms is going to be 45 times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. Because that will give you the average value. And so when you add n copies of the average, you get the sum. So I typed it in there, got 1296. So that is the sum of all of the terms of the series. So please let me know if there's anything confusing.